Yo, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Marcus, back at it again with another video, man. Today, I'm finna give you guys a little introduction on HTML, basic introduction on web development, same thing, what it is, how can we structure a site. I'm gonna be releasing another video about how to paint the structure to make it look all fancy like this here search engine. Let's go ahead and get started. When you starting out with HTML, you need an HTML file, bro. So you want to make a new file. I'm gonna go to new, I'm gonna go to text document, I'm gonna delete everything, even the .txt, and I'm gonna type any name you want, website, hello, whatever you want to type, but at the end make sure you put .html. That's the important part right there. Put .html, and you want to press yes. After you're done with that, you can click on that and it'll open up in the web browser over here. That is your website. You pretty much just made a website, but like I said, we want to make the structure of it. So what I'm gonna do, in any text editor you can write any of this code that I'm gonna show you, but I like to use Visual Studio. So once you load up this file in a text editor, open it up in a text editor, what you want to do is you want to put these tags. Now these greater than and less than sign, those and the text in between are going to be called tags. So this right here is going to be an opening tag, and a closing tag you're going to put a slash right in between and put the same name. You need an opening and a closing tag. It's like a front door. You open a front door, but when you come in the house you close it pretty much. So I'm going to show you guys an actual example of us using that. So for when you first load in the HTML file, you want to have an opening tag of HTML. Oh snap, hold on. Of HTML. Now this is standard, and then the slashes, the closing tags to close off that tag. The first tag I want to show you guys is the head tag. Now remember, with all tags, once you open it, you have to, majority of tags, once you open it, you have to close it. It's like a front door. When you walk in, you close your front door, so you know nobody comes in. But I want to show you guys the head tag, because in this tag you can put things called metadata, things to customize, like this little tab up here, because right now it just shows hello.html. You can do all types of things. You can add a little icon. This is a really important tag, and I just want to introduce you guys to it. The one that I want to introduce is one called title. Now remember, opening tags and closing tags, and in the title, whatever you put in here is gonna show right up here on this tab, literally. So I'm gonna put right here, it works, and I'm gonna save that. Make sure you save the text in the file. Go over to your text document and reload it, and then you'll see the code and things pop up on the actual web browser itself. So right here, see I put the title as it works, and there you go. The next tag is the most essential tag if you want to show anything on your website, and that is the body tag. Remember, opening and closing tags all the time. Well, majority of the time. I keep saying all the time, but I mean majority of the time. Now the body tag, literally what the body is literally this white space right here. Literally everything that you write in between these tags is gonna show up right here. So real quick, I'm gonna add some text to the screen. I'm gonna use this tag. I'm gonna explain it after I'm done too. This is some text that is a header, so that I can make this example more uniform. So as you see, in bright, I'm not bright, it's actually dark, but in bold, like in bold heavy size font style, it says this is some text that is a header, as we just typed over here. Now the reason why you put H1 to display this is because this H1 thing is actually, as you can see if you hover over it in Visual Studios, it's actually a section heading. It's pretty much like when you read a book and you see chapter 1 blase blah, it's the heading of that chapter so that you know what that chapter's on. That's pretty much what the headers do, and this number 1 specifies how big you want that, 1 being the biggest and 6 being the smallest. So if I was to put 6 right now and save it and reload the screen, you'll see it gets really tiny. But you don't always have to put these H tags just to display text to the browser. Actually, I'm going to show you guys another or some more tags that you can use to add text to the browser. One of those tags being the paragraph tag, which is literally just P, bro, like pushing P, you feel me? Pretty much with this, you add any text you want, like literally any text that you want. Amy text, any text that you want. Oh my god. Press save, make sure you save it and reload it over here, and you're gonna see it's not that tiny font that I just showed you a minute ago. It's actually much more like readable, you know what I'm saying? You can read it now, and you also have this heading that tells you what this paragraph's gonna be about. So as you can see, I have the heading tag right here, which is dogs, and then it explains what this paragraph is about. Dogs are great, literally. Dogs are great. So that's one way you can show text to the screen. Another way is this tag right here. Now, a lot of people don't introduce this tag till later on, but a lot of people don't know about it. So I want to go ahead and teach you so you have a little leg up. It's the pre tag, and literally, if we go up here and I was to add a tab and just save it, I did save it by the way, and I reload it, that tab does not show up anywhere. I reloaded this screen like 5 times for you guys right here. However, if you put that in between the pre tags, right? If you put that in between the pre tags and then you save it and reload it, you'll see that the pre tag underneath, remember this is the paragraph tag, this is the pre tag. Underneath that, it will show that tab. So just a little, you know, something that I thought was cool that not a lot of people know about. On to the next thing, I want to show you guys how to add images to websites. Now this is one of those tags that really don't have closings. What you're gonna put is img. That's another tag that I'm introducing. You just put that and you don't have to close it. I'm gonna type this right here, SRS, and paste that link to the image itself. Now you put the image tags and then you specify what source it's from. That's what SRC stands for. It's source. That way it can show the image. You can also do that if you have an image on your computer. Just link where it is on your computer. So like that C:/ blase blah / blase blah. Just put that and it'll show it on the website. And as you can see, this is the exact same image. If I load up the other one that I had, the exact same image, it shows right there. If you want to specify the height that you and the width that you want for this image, you can literally just put width and then specify let's say 500 pixels. To say pixels, you put px, and then with height, I'm gonna do the same thing, 500 pixels, right? And now the image is 500 pixels. Another tab or another tag that I want to show you guys is the link tag. Now the link tag, you wouldn't put link, you would actually put A. You would put A. If we hover over it, it stands for a hypertext anchor. You know what I'm saying? That's just the link for it. So let's say I want to link the actual like website of this image. As we can click on the image, we'll get the actual website. I'm gonna copy this link just to show an example. You can choose any link in the world that you want. Now this tag has a closing tag. I should put that. See, I'm messing up. Always put the closing tag. To specify the link, you're not gonna put source, you're gonna put href and the equal sign and the quotation marks. Now once you do that, just paste in the link right there, and also in between those tags we're gonna put link or any, oh snap, no, wrong thing, wrong tag, link. This could be any text you want it to be. I'm just gonna choose link. As you can see right here, we have the link that's actually gonna take us to that site. So it's a brief introduction to HTML. I just wanted to, you know, when I was a beginner, I learned how to write HTML on YouTube, and I just wanted to continue that because I know there's somebody out there that wants to get into web development and they're doing the exact same thing I did to learn, and I'm like, why not contribute to it? Subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see me using more HTML as I am a web developer. So yeah, we went over the head tag, the title tag, the body tag, the heading tags, the paragraph tags, the pre-tag, the image tags, and then the hypertext anchor or a link to something tag. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more HTML tips. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style this website for it to look very beautiful. Oh, that's the wrong tab. Like this. With all the images in the background, making it look like Google. So if you're down for that, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching again, and peace. I am out.